Let's try to understand the another set of Linux command. So I'm opening this VMware. Let me log in here. You can use the user ID and the password which you used at the time of installation of this Ubuntu. See, you can see that there are some of the commands which I have already fired. So if I want to clear the screen, you can use the command clear. What it will do? It will clear the content on your terminal. So clear command is the one which you can use. Okay. Another thing is, let's say you want to create a directory. So the command is mkdir and the directory name. Let's say testdir is the name of directory I want to create in this location. So press enter. If you want to check whether the directory has been created or not, you can again fire ls-lrt to list the directory. Here I can see the directory has been created and D is there. That is why it's a directory. Now I can use cd testdir command. cd is the command to change directory. I can go inside the directory. cd is for change directory. I can go inside the directory and check what is there. If I want to check what is there, again I need to see the ls-lrt command to list the files and directory. I don't see any files over here because this is a newly created directory. Alright, if I want to check pwd, I can see right now I am inside the testdir. Okay, now sometimes we are in a situation where we need to create multiple directory, like one directory, after that inside that another directory, inside that third directory we need to create. So in that situation, what we need to do, let me tell you one example. Let's say I want to create a directory structure like this. So we have /u01. After that, under the /u01 I want to create app. Under that I want to create Oracle. Under that I want to create Aura data. This is a directory structure I want to create. If I use only mkdir command, what will happen? I'll create u01. Again I need to fire command mkdir. After that I need to fire app command. Again I need to use mkdir. Then I will fire Oracle. So instead of doing one by one, what we can do, we can use mkdir-p. Let me show you. So inside the testdir I am going to create mkdir-p. Testdir is already created. After that I am creating one more folder called testdir1, testdir2. So this command will create a multiple directory one inside another. See, if I am going to the testdir, I can see there is a testdir1 is there. cd testdir1, and inside the testdir1 there is one more directory is there, cd testdir2. So this is how you can create a directory one inside another. Okay, now let's see how you can remove a directory. Let's say I'm going one step back. Here I can see there is a directory called testdir2. I want to remove this directory. So you can use a command rmdir and the directory name that you want to remove. Once I fire this command, the directory will be deleted. You are not able to see any testdir over here. So this is the command you can use. Again, let's assume that this directory contain, okay, so I'm just going back one more step, ls-lrt. Now this directory is completely empty. So you can use this rmdir command. But let's say that this directory contain some files. So rmdir command will not allow you to remove the directory. In that case, you can remove a directory forcefully, rm-rf dir1. Same command you can also use to remove a file also. So if I use this command, it will forcefully rm-, there is a typo, it should be rm for remove, rf, f for forcefully. So this command will remove your directory forcefully even though there is a data available. If it is an empty directory, you can use rmdir. So this is the one commands which are related to the creating a directory. In order to create a directory, you can use mkdir. In order to remove directory, you can use rmdir. We also discuss about rm-rf and mkdir-p. I hope this is clear. Thank you.